Okay, standard deviation exam questions, grade 12, statistics. Okay, so we are going to answer these two questions. Okay, so the number of SMS messages sent by a group of teenagers was recorded over a period of a week. The data was found to be normally distributed with a mean of 140 messages and a standard deviation of 12 messages. Okay, you can see the data was found to be normally distributed. Okay, normally distributed. You can see that. So answer the following questions with reference to the information provided in the graph. Question 1. What percentage of teenagers sent less than 128 messages? 3 marks. Question 2. What percentage of teenagers sent between 116 and 152 messages? 3 marks. Okay, the best way to answer this question, you have to break up the percentage and you have to write what you have there. Okay, this is the mean. You are given the mean, and this is one standard deviation to the right of the mean. So you are given this. Okay, you have the mean x bar 140. Okay, 140, the mean, and one standard deviation to the right of the mean. Okay, so the standard deviation is 12. Okay, this is 140 plus 12. You are going to have 152. Okay, 140 plus 12. 12 is the standard deviation. Okay, 140 plus 12, 152. So this is one standard deviation to the right of the mean. You carry on. Now you have the mean plus 2 standard deviation. Okay, 152 plus 12 or 140 plus 2 times 12. Okay, 2 times 12, 24. So 140 plus 24. You're going to have 164. Okay, 140 plus 24. You have this, or 152 plus 12. Okay, so this is 2 standard deviation to the right of the mean. 2 standard deviation to the right of the mean. You carry on. Now you have 3 standard deviation to the right of the mean. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you are going to have 140 plus 3 times 12. Okay, 140 plus 36. This is what you have. 140 plus 36, or 164 plus 12. Okay, you have 176, which is 3 standard deviation to the right of the mean. Now to the left, 1 standard deviation, you are going to subtract from the mean. Okay, you have 140 minus 12. The standard deviation is 12. 140 minus 12. So 140 minus 12, 128. This is 1 standard deviation to the left of the mean. Okay, and 2 standard deviation to the left of the mean. You are going to subtract 12. Okay, or subtract 24 from 140, or 12 from 128. You are going to have 116. Okay, so this is 2 standard deviation to the left of the mean. Okay, 1 standard deviation to the left, 2 standard deviation to the left of the mean. Now you have 3 standard deviation to the left of the mean. You're going to subtract 12. Now you are going to have 104. Okay, so this is 3 standard deviation to the left of the mean. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 3 standard deviation to the left of the mean. Now let's break up the percentage. Divide by 2, you're going to have 34% and 34%. Okay, 68 divided by 2, this is equal to 34. So you are going to have 34% on the left and 34% on the right. Okay, we do the same with 96. 96 divided by 2, you are going to have 48%. So you are going to have 48% on the left and 48% on the right. So you already have 34. You need 14. Okay, 14%. So this is 48 for 96. 96 divided by 2. You're going to have 48 on the left and 48 on the right. Okay, this is 48 on the left and then 48 on the right. Okay, you have 96 in total. Okay, now 100% divided by 2, you are going to have 50% on the left and 50% on the right. So you already have 48. You need 2%. Okay, so this is 50% on the left for 100%. And you need 50% on the right. This is 48. You need 2%. Now you have 50% on the right and 50% on the left. Okay, so this is the information that you need so that you can answer these questions easily. Now, question 1. What percentage of teenagers sent less than 128 messages? Okay, less than 128 messages. What percentage? So less than 128, you are going to check to the left of 128. Okay, less than 128. Okay, to the left. This is less than. So what percentage? You have 2% plus 14%. Okay, so you have to know that 128 is one standard deviation to the left of the mean. This is the mean. Okay, 128 is one standard deviation to the left of the mean. Okay, 128 is one standard deviation to the left of the mean. So you are going to have less than 128 messages. The percentage is equal to 14 plus 2. So 14 plus 2, you are going to have 16%. Okay, 16% of teenagers sent less than 128 messages. Now question 2. What percentage of teenagers sent between 116 and 152 messages? 3 marks. Okay, between 116 and 152. What percentage? So 116 is 2 standard deviation to the left of the mean. Okay, on the left, up to 116, you're going to have 14% plus 34%. So you have 34% plus 14%, which is 48%. Okay, you also have 152, which is to the right of the mean. You also have 34%. So 152 is one standard deviation to the right of the mean. This is the mean, and this is one standard deviation to the right of the mean. And so you have 34%. Okay, 34%. So the percentage, you are going to have 48% plus 34%, which is 82%. So what percentage of teenagers sent between 116 and 152 messages? Okay, between 116 and 152 messages. You are going to have 14 plus 34 plus 34, okay, which is 82%. So this is how you can answer these questions. Okay, we are done.